Okay, back with another update. This one was on Tesla. Tesla, this is just so you can see quickly here. This is what I anticipate for Tesla. Okay. If I remove, I'm going to remove everything. We're just going to start this again. We're just going to go to the monthly time frame. And as you can see, Tesla's taken a dump from its all-time low over here to its all-time high. Tesla is trading below 50% of its all-time range. From the bottom to the top is below 50%. And exactly where it is as well is at a demand zone. It's at this last down close before the up move that caused the breaker structure that we have over here. The bullish breaker structure, and Tesla remains bullish overall. Obviously, you go to a smaller time frame, we're in a big downwards trend. I do believe we're at or nearing the very bottom of price for Tesla to continue higher. I mean, trust me, if we was to take this low here, even this low here, anticipate 1 million YouTube videos saying that Teslas might just die. Weekly time frame. Now I want to show you something with the volume here. Can you see we're completely outside of the volatility band and we're at oversold levels? That red line there, the red dotted line here, it's oversold levels. It's at the 30 level, and this is on the weekly. So regardless of what's going on in the news and the fundamentals about Tesla being or Elon Musk going under scrutiny or whatever, the technology is the technology, and we see this happens in the market all the time. They need catalysts to dump and to pump price, yeah? Whatever is going on. I don't even know the full in-depth, if I'm honest. I don't really know exactly in depth what it is that's supposed to be going on. And I am going to do a little check on that. But bottom line is the markets use, news rumors and stuff to move the market. They do that often. Prices, there's no reason that I believe that could be out there fundamentally that's going to cause Tesla to just disappear like that. So I think it's potentially the greatest opportunity you could ever get to join Tesla, other than the people that bought Tesla over here, and over here. I don't think you'll get another chance like this. Moving to the daily time frame. What we're looking for now is signs of strength. We want to see that price is looking to leave this demand zone and go higher. We can see we're already having bullish divergences here. Okay, price is pushing up like that. But what it would take for this to complete is a lower low on price and still a higher low on the TDI. So when this comes and makes this move down, you'll want to see something like this. Okay, we don't make a lower low. We don't make a low below this low here. It's red on this chart. My other charts, that line would be green, but the RSI and the TDI on my stock charts is red. It's this line here. Okay, don't confuse it with the fact. You know what? Let's get this. I want that. My red line green and my green line red. No, but this one's the red one. This one's the green one, right? Cool. Is the green line is our RSI. Okay, that red line is our signal line. The orange line is our baseline. You want to see that green line not take out the bottom here, that it's low. All right, but I do believe we are looking for another push down. Somewhere in this box should hold, and Tesla should continue to go up. And it's the perfect day for that. This is where we're gonna have forgetting the name of the news. FOMC, right? Yeah. And the Fed's interest rates decision at 6:30 today. So it might be, it could be considered smart to start dollar cost averaging in, okay, or hope that price travels lower while before the news, get a better price. But you have to understand, price could do this before the news, something like this, and you might want to start buying there, and then the news just like that. And when the news is on, like that, when the news is on, the spreads are high, there's a lot of volatility, slippage. You're trying to jump in a buy at that time is likely to get you in a not so favorable position. This is a good buy area, if you ask me. So you may want to put some of your position on the table now. That's what I can say about Tesla. Let's go to the smaller time frames now. Can I take this off? If I go to regular hours, all right, cool, we're still trading, great. Daylight saving times there, I forgot. So this 1 o'clock's the new 2 o'clock. So the stock market is open. Yeah, my baby. Stock market is open. We're trading. To me, this decline is corrective. It could only be corrective if I'm bullish, right? And that goes the same with all stocks. Ultimately, moves down ultimately are corrective moves, because ultimately stock prices go up. They just increase in value, like the S&P. Okay, you can see from this channel, right? We pushed out of it. Now we want to come on the other side of this channel, do something like this. So good buy area. I definitely do believe we can get a push down before continuing higher. Whether we get that right now or not, that's another story. Price looks really, really choppy. Does make it a little bit hard to read. I'm going to try and count this, because this for me will be WX or AB. ABC. So this for me is a WXY. We got an A, B, C, and W. That's our X. And we're looking for Y to complete. And our WXY over here. I'm expecting Y to end inside the green box. We also have our psychological. Nope. That's not psychological level, it's our 0.618 of their entire range. the market could be giving us that 2 wave that leads to a mega 3 wave. Meaning this low could end up being talked about for many. What if Tesla does well in the future, continues to do well? This could be the low everybody talks about for many years to come. Could. So I'm in, like I say. I'm not a financial advisor, but I've told a few friends that they should start buying. To do with that information what you wish. I definitely do think there's some more down. I definitely do think we will take out this low. And that's something we could do right now quickly. Just look at how would we know if we're going to take this low? First thing that comes to mind for me right now is hitting the 0.886 here. Alexa, stop. And it looks like we've done it. I'll make sure this is on point. I'm not playing with this. Which one of these is higher? You. Okay. We just missed the 0.886, which gives points to the bias of a potential 1, 2 already being in place. And if that is the case, what we're looking for is this. Okay. And it's going to be strengthened if price can touch this orange line, which will also be a breaker structure here, taking out this supply area. It will also be a reclaim of the channel that we're outside of right now. We're below this channel. And sooner or later, we will claim this channel. There's never been a greater time to buy Tesla since October last year, if you ask me. So yeah, that's the analysis. We break that 618, probabilities increase, but I wouldn't call it a 3 and say that we're in the clear until price takes out the top side of this channel. Get price trading up here, like in the area of this blue 3. So we come out of this channel and we don't just nip it and go straight down, but we come out of this channel, maybe something like this. That's when you know. That's when you can be real confident that this low will hold. So we've done that. We haven't come back and touched the 886, and we've done this. You're looking for buyers. All right, that's my analysis on Tesla, and I'll catch up with you lot again later. All right, peace.